Let's go over how to create a sales receipt in QuickBooks. We'll also show you how to use the undeposited funds account so you can group transactions together into a single deposit to match your bank records. Note that if a customer pays you for their purchase right away, you record a sales receipt. But if they're going to pay you later, then you create an invoice. We'll go over that in a separate video. To start, go to the New menu and select Sales Receipt. Customer information is optional on a sales receipt, but if you want to track your sales by customer, you should enter it. The date of the sale defaults to today, but you can change it if the sale happened on another day. For payment method, choose how your customer paid you. If you want to add a new payment type, you can select Add New. For this example, we'll select cash, but if we got paid with a check, you can record the check number. Next, tell QuickBooks where you're going to deposit the money. For this example, we will select Undeposited Funds. Undeposited funds is a temporary account that holds payments you plan to deposit later at the bank. It lets you easily combine several payments together into a single bank deposit. However, if you're going to deposit this payment into the bank as a single transaction, then you can skip this and just select Checking. Next, in the Products and Services area, enter what you sold your customer. If you already set up the product in QuickBooks, you'll see the description and amount you entered earlier. You can also enter or change these while you create the receipt. If you haven't entered this item yet, select Add New and enter it here. Choose everything that's included in this sale. Once you're done, select Save and Send if you want to send the customer a receipt, or one of the other save options if you don't. You'll see your customer's receipt here. You can change the subject line and the body of the email that gets sent to your customer. Select Send and Close when you're ready to send the receipt. Now you're ready to create your own sales receipt.